you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Overwatch 2 and want to disable it, follow these simple steps to ensure your settings are adjusted correctly. Step 1. Open the game menu. Launch Overwatch 2 and wait for the main menu to appear. Once there, look for the gear icon or the settings option, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Navigate to Options. Click on the settings icon to open the Options menu. This section contains various settings related to gameplay, audio, and controls. Step 3. Access the audio settings. In the Options menu, find and select the Audio tab. This is where you can manage all audio-related settings, including voice chat options. Step 4. Disable voice chat. Within the audio settings, locate the voice chat options. You will see an option to enable or disable voice chat. Toggle this setting to off to disable voice chat completely. Step 5. Save changes and exit. After disabling voice chat, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button, then exit the Options menu to return to the main game screen. By following these steps, you should successfully disable voice chat in Overwatch 2. If you encounter further issues, consider checking for updates or consulting the game's support resources.